that gives you a little sneak preview of what song we're doing now. We're doing Eye of the Tiger. Yeah, because it's fun. But we're actually going to start this on the first string like we did our last song, the Batman theme song. So again, we need to know 3 different numbers. We need to know our finger numbers, we need to know our string numbers, and we need to know our fret numbers. If we can do those 3, we're good. I'll put the tablature up for class, and I'll put it down at the bottom or a link to it. And so let's take a look at it. We're going to be using the first string, that's the one on the bottom. Again, just to start off, I was using power chords. That's what we're going to do next. The next video is going to be about power chords. But for now, we're just going to learn the numbers on the fret. Anything we learn on the the first string for now, we can move to the 6th string because they're both E. But this is a little easier to start. We're going to use the first string. We're going to be using these 2 fingers. Our 1st and 3rd finger are the main ones that we're going to be using. And we're going to use 3 frets. The 5th fret, the 3rd fret, and the 1st fret. Okay, so again, 1, 3, and 5, we're going to be using our odd numbers. So let me zoom in, and then we will go over the notes for the song. Okay, so let's take a look. We're on our first string. Let's number our frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to be using this one, number 5. We're going to be using this one, number 3. We're going to be using this one, number 1. We're going to be using these 2 fingers, our 1st finger and our 3rd finger, because we're going to use 1 finger per fret. Now, we're not actually using this one, but we're going to skip it just like we're going to skip the fret. So, the first note is 5. 5, 3, 5. Okay? 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. That's what we're shooting for. So let's break that down into its different parts. So it starts with 5. Now I already have my my first finger planted on the 3rd fret. Just like we did with the Batman one, I want this one already in place because it's got to be there. This one's not gonna come up until we slide to the 1. That's going to be a little bit different. But I want it planted, already pushed down, ready to go. Even though we don't start with that note, we start with the 5. Okay, this finger is just kind of hanging out. Alright, so we're going to push down with both fingers. This one's already in place. Push down the 5 and pluck it once. Again, I'll move my hand up for the video. Don't strum up here, but just for the video. 5. And then repeat. 5. And then lift, and you should be at 3. 3, 5. So it's 5, 5, 3, 5. Okay, it goes 5 twice, and then 3, and back to 5. 5, then repeat. 5, 3, 5. That's the first part, okay? 5, 5, 3, 5. And then repeat that. 5, 3, 5. Repeat that. 5, 3. And this is where it changes. And then you slide down to the 1. 1. Whoops, I didn't push down hard enough. I got that fret buzz. 1. Okay, I'm going to move my hand back here because it doesn't sound as good. But I want you to see the strumming. So it's 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. So we only repeat the 5 on the first time. It doubles the first time. The rest of the time it's just 1 time. So 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. Back again. 5, 5, 3, 5. 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. And if you notice, this 3rd finger staying pressed down unless it's sliding to the 1st, and then I go right back here. It helps if you say it out loud, or if you don't say it out loud, at least say it in your head. It'll help you remember it. Okay? So it's one more time. 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. And the rhythm is important on this song. I know that I'm going a little bit faster, so let me play it one more time slow before we go for those who need a little bit more practice. And trust me, this is going to take a while. So let's do it one more time slow, and then you can go back and watch the video again. 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. And then I hit one wrong note on that then. But that's okay. You know what? It's not about being perfect. It's about having fun and learning. And that's where we're going next. All right. You're doing good. You're doing great. Keep it up, and we'll be there in no time.